Gentlemen over 60, have you ever wondered if there's a simple, natural way to improve your energy, restore your vitality, and even support your confidence in the most important areas of life? Well, science shows that the answer may lie in something as simple as massage and acupressure. Today, I'll share with you one powerful spot on your body that, when massaged for just 1 minute a day, can support circulation, reduce stress, and help restore your vitality naturally. Welcome to Only for Seniors, the channel dedicated to helping men and women over 60 live longer, healthier, and happier lives. I'm Dr. Eric John, a physician specializing in senior health here in the United States, and today we're going to talk about an amazing, safe, and natural technique that older men can use to restore energy, boost circulation, and support their overall confidence. So stay with me until the end, because not only will I explain the massage technique, I'll also share the foods, habits, and lifestyle tips that can supercharge its effects. Section 1. The problem men face after 60. As we age past 60, our bodies naturally go through changes. For men, these changes often include slower circulation, lower testosterone levels, reduced muscle strength, and sometimes less confidence in areas we don't always want to talk about, like intimacy and stamina. But here's the truth, much of this decline is not inevitable. Yes, aging happens, but how we support our body makes all the difference. And one of the easiest and most powerful ways to improve our health is to keep blood flowing smoothly. Why? Because circulation is the key to everything: your heart, your brain, your muscles, and yes, even your performance. Section 2. Why massage and acupressure work. Massage has been used for thousands of years in traditional Chinese medicine, Indian Ayurveda, and even in modern physical therapy. The principle is simple: when you apply gentle pressure to certain points in your body, you stimulate blood flow, relax tight muscles, and activate nerves that send signals to different organs. Acupressure points are like little switches in your body. When pressed or massaged, they can unlock blocked energy, improve circulation, and even reduce stress hormones. And for older men, there's one particular area that's been studied for its role in vitality and performance. Section 3. The magic spot, lower abdomen and perineum region. The spot I want to share with you today is located between the lower abdomen and the base of the body. In acupressure, this area is known to control circulation in the pelvic region. By massaging this spot for just 1 minute, you can improve blood flow to the organs that matter most, reduce tension, and support natural vitality. Here's how you do it. 1. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. 2. Place the palm of your hand on your lower abdomen, about 2 inches below your belly button. 3. Apply gentle circular pressure in a clockwise motion for 1 full minute. 4. Breathe deeply as you massage. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. 5. Repeat this daily, ideally in the morning and before bed. This simple massage works because it increases blood flow to the pelvic region, relaxes tension, and signals the nervous system to release nitric oxide, a molecule that helps open up blood vessels naturally. Section 4. Other powerful points for seniors. Now, while the lower abdomen massage is one of the most effective, there are other spots that seniors can use to improve circulation and energy. The inner thigh massage. Place both palms on the upper inner thighs and press gently for 30 seconds at a time. This boosts circulation in the pelvic area. The foot massage. Kidney point pressing the center of your foot's arch stimulates kidney energy, which supports vitality and hormone balance. The hand web, between thumb and index finger massaging this area helps relax stress and improve overall blood circulation. When combined, these points create a powerful system for restoring energy naturally. Section 5. The science behind it. You may be wondering, does this really work, or is it just old folklore? Well, modern science is catching up. Studies show that acupressure can increase nitric oxide release, improve blood vessel dilation, and even reduce stress hormone levels. Nitric oxide is a key chemical for men. It relaxes blood vessels, improves circulation, and helps keep tissues healthy. Massage and acupressure stimulate this naturally, without pills or side effects. In fact, researchers in the United States have tested acupressure techniques in older adults and found measurable improvements in circulation, stress reduction, and sleep quality, all of which are essential for confidence and vitality. Section 6. Foods that boost the effect. Now, massage alone is powerful, but when combined with the right foods, the benefits multiply. Here are some foods that older men in America should focus on. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and arugula are rich in nitrates, which naturally increase nitric oxide levels. Beets, one of the most powerful circulation boosters. Try beet juice or roasted beets. Nuts and seeds, walnuts, almonds, and pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc and healthy fats for hormone balance. Oily fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines provide omega-3s, which improve blood flow. Dark chocolate, in moderation, cocoa flavanols support blood vessel health. On the flip side, seniors should try to reduce processed sugar, fried foods, and excess alcohol, as these damage circulation and hormones. Section 7. Lifestyle habits for vitality. Massage and food are just part of the picture. Here are 3 key habits that will help older men feel stronger and more confident after 60. 1. Daily walking, even 20 minutes a day boosts circulation and hormone health. 2. Strength training, light weights or resistance bands help maintain testosterone and muscle mass. 3. Deep breathing and meditation, stress is a major cause of poor performance. Breathing deeply calms the nervous system and restores balance. The combination of movement, nutrition, and stress reduction is the true formula for longevity and vitality. Section 8. Success stories. I've had patients here in the US, men in their 60s and 70s, who started using these techniques. One gentleman told me, "Doc, I thought my best years were behind me. But after just a few weeks of massage and diet changes, I feel alive again. I have energy, I sleep better, and I feel confident." Stories like this remind us that health is never about age, it's about the choices we make daily. Section 9. Daily routine plan. Here's how you can put this into practice starting today. Morning, wake up, drink a glass of water, do 1 minute of lower abdomen massage, followed by deep breathing. Afternoon, take a 20-minute walk after lunch, and eat nitrate-rich foods like spinach or beets. Evening, before bed, repeat the massage and pair it with 5 minutes of meditation or prayer. That's it, simple, powerful, and free. Conclusion. So gentlemen, here's the truth, age may slow us down, but it doesn't have to take away our vitality. By massaging this simple spot for just 1 minute daily, supporting it with the right foods, and living with healthy habits, you can restore confidence, improve circulation, and feel like yourself again, naturally. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Only for Seniors.